So let's take a look at how you can access Schema Builder and check for your custom objects which can be mapped in Schema Builder. Also, we will take a look at how to check the standard objects in Object Manager. So log into Salesforce Developer, and here you see Platform Tools. Okay, left hand sidebar you will see Platform Tools, within which you have Object and Fields. Here you see Object Manager, which will show you both custom and standard objects. Okay, these are the standard objects that you get with every account. Okay, so by default you will find these. Okay, so then there is create button that allows you to create custom object and custom object from spreadsheet. Okay, similarly there is Schema Builder, so we'll see how to access this Schema Builder from your sidebar. So go to Platform Tools from your setup home, then Object and Fields, then Schema Builder. Okay, that should load Schema Builder. Okay, so it will give you ID like interface. So if you have developer background, then you will find that it has UML tool like interface for your schema. Okay, here your custom objects can be created and mapped to your specific areas, for example image, idea, macro. Then you also have fields within these objects. Okay, new elements can be created from this tab, elements, and here you choose what type of element you want, like object or fields, etc. So you get the idea how to access Schema Builder from your Salesforce dashboard.